Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. Wrecked Capital here, bringing this to our attention. Bitcoin is digging deeper and deeper into a previous retracement area, and we can see that in the red guys, which may soon turn into support. Successful retest here would precede a reversal into $70,000. Now, he posted this yesterday, and what he's looking at is, just getting up above that descending channel. We did break through the other day. Unfortunately, we are coming back down in here, but guys, we are still forming these higher highs, and I don't have the channel plotted here on this chart, but you guys can see here, if I were to just plot channel in there, hopefully we do stay above this line, and we are in fact forming support above this channel pattern. Now, if we think about the higher highs and the higher lows, guys, Bitcoin, what we want is Bitcoin to pass this level in here, which is $70,000 per coin, roughly, give or take. It's a nice psychological level, 70,026 to be precise. And we almost got there yesterday. You guys can see we got up to 69,400 yesterday. Today, this is the daily chart. Today, Bitcoin is, moving in an indecisive manner, which means we could see a reversal on the horizon. Let me throw this on the hourly for you guys to see. So we did, in fact, see a move to the downside. But what it's looking like now is Bitcoin finding support in and around here, 66,600, which is where it bounced off of on Thursday, the 17th. It did make its way up, and now we're finding support back in that level there. So you can see there are some buyers here eager to be purchasing. Like, look at that in there. Yesterday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you guys can see a lot of buying pressure there, which brought Bitcoin back up from about 67,300 to about 67,900. So we are slowly seeing that turnaround on the 1 hour, and also we are seeing that reversal candlestick there on the daily chart. So guys, higher lows, very, very good sign. Higher highs, very, very good sign. And we're still maintaining that pattern, which is all good for Bitcoin holders and the rest of the crypto market. Unfortunately, we are seeing retail slipping back into neutral territory. 57 at neutral. Market cap is at $2.32 trillion. Volume is still up, though, by about just over 11%. Dominance is still hanging on, 57.19% for Bitcoin. But by and large, the market is taking a bit of a breather right now. We are seeing a mix of red and green in terms of altcoins. Some altcoins, I'm guessing, are popping off sooner than others. And when it comes to XRP, we have been seeing Bitcoin move down a little bit. We did, in fact, see XRP also move down. So yesterday it was trading in and around 55.5 cents, and today we're seeing it in and around 53.5 cents. So at least we're not seeing huge swings to the downside, just commensurate with what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. I think a lot of investors, especially U.S. investors, are waiting for this election cycle to just be done with. Digital Asset Investor here posting this. Nice day for a reminder that Senator Elizabeth Warren, who's behind Operation Choke Point 2.0, by the way, let's not forget that, guys. And Gary Gensler's crusade against crypto and Ripple was one of the first to endorse Kamala Harris. These people don't endorse unless they get assurances that the candidate will back them up on their issues, like trying to kill crypto.
I'm endorsing Vice President Kamala Harris because she's ready to step up, bring our party together, go toe-to-toe with Donald Trump, and win in November. I have known Kamala Harris since back right after the 2008 crash, when she was Attorney General in California, and I was setting up the consumer agency, and we fought shoulder to shoulder to push back against the big banks that were cheating America's homeowners. Kamala has been a ferocious warrior on the issue of abortion, and under Kamala's leadership, we're going to get Roe versus Wade back into law of the land. But the part that's fun to think about is when you're up against a convicted felon, who better than a former prosecutor to take it straight to Donald Trump? I'm here for Kamala because Kamala has been here for the American people year after year after year. She's ready to do this job, and she's going to win.
Well, that's debatable. The other thing I wanted to ask was, if Trump is a convicted felon, why isn't he in jail? And I'm not going to lie, I think the XRP community was a bit upset yesterday when this news was released. Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen did donate $10 million in XRP to the Kamala Harris campaign.
Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen has now donated more than $11.7 million to two PACs supporting the VP's campaign, making Larsen one of the crypto industry's largest individual donors this cycle.
Very, very unfortunate considering, well, we know who supports Kamala Harris, and we also know who was feeding Gary Gensler those questions. Yeah, the head of the SEC, the man who is trying to actively crush cryptocurrency. Dark Horse here posting this. Brad Garlinghouse been going around on media outlets saying crypto shouldn't be political, it should be bipartisan, whereas Chris Larson straight up makes it political. You boys, Ripple, should get your story straight. It's looking like a huge mess. So Chris Larson did post this yesterday. It's time for the Democrats to have a new approach to tech innovation, including crypto. I believe Kamala Harris will ensure that American technology dominates the world, which is why I'm donating $10 million in XRP in support of her. And, the XRP community obviously not happy about that. Brett Garlinghouse did have to come out and respond. I respect Chris's and everyone's right to support whomever think is best to lead the U.S. It's a very diplomatic answer there, a diplomatic post. We need to immediately change course from this administration's misguided war on crypto. Ripple will continue to engage with both Democrats and Republicans in the final days of the election. I'm sure it says there, Cozy down here saying, I don't like the donation, but the donation was not from Ripple. Ripple has nothing to do with this. It's a personal donation from Chris to Kamala. I agree in that the support is misplaced, but the boys at Ripple have no say in this. So a personal donation is very different. And so we don't know what Chris Larson's motives are behind this. We do know that Chris Larson is part of the WEF. We know Ripple is a WEF company. We know that, the Democrats are largely in line with the WEF agenda. So, I mean, and this is the thing, right? It's not like one company, even if Chris Larson supports Kamala Harris, and even if the company Ripple is connected to the WEF, it's not like every single person who works there, who is, even the CEO there, believes in what that mandate is. I mean, they have jobs. It's not about ideology all the time. Not financial advice. Putting things into perspective a little bit, Chris Larson's net worth is $3.1 billion. So he donated an amount of money he can't even feel. That's about 0.3% of his net worth. And, I'm sure if you guys calculated your net worth and, figured out what 0.3% is, if I don't know, let's say everything together, you're worth $100,000, okay? And I'm just throwing a number out there. Multiply that by 0.3%, and that is equivalent to about $300, a $300 donation. So you got to think, if Chris Larson is worth $3.1 billion, yeah, that's how much money he's got. Stuart Alderati donated to Trump, and Ripple has invested $50 million into a super PAC called Fair Shake that supports Democrats and Republicans alike, including these people here, Bernie Moreno, Patrick McHenry, and Dusty Johnson. Politics is a complex game, and obviously Ripple is playing it. Don't fall into traps set by disingenuous accounts that appear out of nowhere. So, we got to put things into perspective. Again, it was a personal donation. It wasn't a donation from Ripple specifically. Ripple is a separate company, although the optics, I got to agree to a degree, the optics do not look good. Anyway, wanted to thank Dark Horse, not financial advice. Of course, the Cointelegraph and Digital Asset Investor there just for posting that. Now, on the flip side, guys, Trump and XRP, get your moon boots on. From Greg Manarino here, another perspective. Listen to this.
Now, with regard to crypto, again, the setup here is so easy to see. Trump has set himself up as the crypto god in many, many ways here. Saying publicly he's going to make the United States the crypto capital of the world, and the crypto space, for which I am fully embraced in myself, you all know that. It wants a guy like that behind the Resolute desk here. Okay, Trump has created a whole business around making cryptocurrency trading streamlined around the world. He's created his own cryptocurrency, man.
So there you go. The flip side, Trump, if elected, would be very pro-crypto. At least that is, where all the signs are pointing. Wanted to thank Digital Outlook just for bringing that to our attention. And guys, regardless of who becomes president in the United States, the XRPL ecosystem continues to grow. This one from Michael Branch, XRP Ledger now one click away from 30 million MetaMask users. Check this out, guys. This is brand new news. that was just launched yesterday. In a significant development, MetaMask users may now easily access the XRP Ledger with a single click. In a new tweet, PeerSys, a Ripple partner developing the XRP Ledger EVM sidechain, announced the launch of XRP Ledger Snap for MetaMask. MetaMask Snaps are modular extensions that allow developers to expand the functionality of the MetaMask wallet. This extension implies that 30 million monthly active users of MetaMask are now just one click away from having an account on the XRP Ledger, creating a one-of-a-kind opportunity for the adoption and management of XRP Ledger assets in the MetaMask crypto wallet. So guys, that integration going to open up a whole new slew of people to have access to the XRP Ledger that could in fact start utilizing XRP. The XRP Ledger Snap lets users interact with XRPL using their MetaMask wallets. Users will be able to manage XRP and other tokens on the XRP Ledger, carry out transactions, and interact with XRPL-based decentralized applications without leaving the MetaMask interface. So this is big because, for those who are already utilizing the MetaMask, and again, they're saying it's about 30 million users, that just extends the capabilities now to people who may want to leverage XRP. So let's not forget XRP is number 7 here. If we remove USDC and Tether, it is number 5 in terms of market cap for top cryptocurrencies of all time. Okay, of all the cryptocurrencies, it is number 5. And so when we see FOMO begin, this is, this happens time and time again. It's generally a lot of the coins, the cryptocurrencies that have the visibility. Because don't forget, when you say, if somebody's new to crypto and they don't know what to invest in, I'm sure it's happened to you your first time when you invested in crypto. What should I invest in? You do a quick Google search, CoinMarketCap comes up, and you take a look at this list and you're like, okay, well, Bitcoin, Ethereum, that's kind of pricey. Solana's over $100. What's next on the list? BNB coin also kind of expensive. Well, XRP, that's at a pretty good price point. Maybe I will buy some of that. Oh yeah, I've heard of Dogecoin. So, you tend to go down the list and you tend to kind of look and see and decide from there. Well, guys, if MetaMask is supporting the XRP Ledger, that is just going to drive more interest into XRP, especially now that it is going to be listed on US exchanges. Max Avery also did comment on this. MetaMask now supports XRP Ledger with over 30 million active users. This update is set to drive massive volume onto the XRPL network, seamlessly create accounts, sign transactions, buy XRP, and even access NFTs, all within MetaMask. Here it is from PeerSys, a demonstration.
Unveiling the first XRPL MetaMask Snap. The power of the XRP Ledger meets the versatility of MetaMask. A snap allows non-EVM networks to seamlessly integrate with your MetaMask wallet. Now, with our XRPL Snap, you can bring the XRP Ledger, one of the world's top trusted blockchains, directly to MetaMask, the gold standard of non-custodial wallets, long proved and trusted by over 30 million users. Getting started is simple. If you already have a MetaMask wallet but no XRPL account, you can create one using the same mnemonic. If you're an XRPL user without a MetaMask wallet, easily import your XRPL account with mnemonic into MetaMask. And if you're new to both, you can create an XRPL account directly within MetaMask. Remember, activating a new XRPL account requires a 10 XRP deposit, which you can quickly complete through our built-in on-ramp using Transact. With our Snap, you can send and receive on one of the fastest and most cost-effective blockchains. Hold XRP, tokens, and NFTs, all within a top 5 blockchain by market cap. Enjoy full support for all XRPL transaction types. Access a built-in on-ramp for easy XRP account activation and purchases through Transact. Now, dApps can offer sign-in with MetaMask, introducing the XRPL to MetaMask users. Developed by PeerSys, a proven leader in the blockchain industry and a key contributor to the XRPL community. The Snap has been thoroughly audited by Safer, ensuring flawless security for an exceptional community. Experience the power and speed of the XRP Ledger within MetaMask. Move XRP beyond borders.
So that's an amazing update to see. I wanted to thank PeerSys, the Wrath of Kahneman, and of course Max Avery and Michael Branch just for posting that. Now guys, major Ripple integrated partners like Finastra, they're looking to modernize treasury management operations for big banks like LB Bank, guys. Finastra, a global provider of financial services software applications, has announced the implementation of its front-to-back treasury solutions, Condor, at the Fortune Vietnam Joint Stock Commercial Bank, or LP Bank, to modernize the bank's treasury management operations and capabilities. This collaboration is part of LP Bank's concerted effort to accelerate its digital transformation strategy and enhance its market competitiveness. The initiation of the project was carefully designed to help LP Bank meet the rising demands of managing more sophisticated treasury and liquidity products for clients as well as supporting risk management decisions across the bank. And here's a quote from Ho Nam Tin, standing deputy chairman of LP Bank. He said, "The successful deployment of this innovative product is a testament to our deep commitment towards digital transformation and creating value for our customers. It also speaks volumes about Finastra's technological expertise as a partner." So yeah, of course, I mean, if they are at the cutting edge of technology, obviously, many banks around the world will want to integrate with this particular type of solution. While we are in the early phase of recognizing the full potential of this investment in our treasury operations, we've already seen steady improvements in trading volumes, transaction quality, and reduced transaction times. LP Bank is well positioned to advance its leadership position in Vietnam further. So this is to improve treasury operations, leveraging what I'm assuming is a DLT-based solution, considering they are saying more sophisticated treasury and liquidity. So modernizing this, obviously, running on a solution with that is more liquid, that can be more liquid, and eventually it will probably support more products. Down here it says central to this current partnership is Finastra's Condor solution, which offers powerful risk analytics, trade processing, position management, and real-time risk coverage. It enables high-volume treasury trading while supporting complex derivatives options and structured transactions. So there we're seeing this in real time, guys. Ripple partner Finastra integrating with another bank, this time in Vietnam. And the bank is LP Bank. So just wanted to mention that. Guys, I also happen to see this. Another Ripple partner, Thunes, backed RegTech firm Tuki Taki, yeah, that's what they're called, secures funding for Asia expansion. So another partnership in Asia down here, Singapore-based RegTech firm Tuki Taki has secured funding from True Global Ventures Funding Fund. The sum was not disclosed, though. This funding will support Tuki Taki's expansion across key Asian markets and bolster its financial crime prevention technology. So this is for crime prevention. Tuki Taki's platform FinSense uses AI to help institutions detect and address financial crime more efficiently. The company also operates the AFC ecosystem, a collaborative platform where industry experts work together to improve crime detection models. And I think there was another company as well. I'm trying to remember what the name is. I can't remember it off the top, but it was another XRPL integrated company that was focusing on crime prevention. So using the blockchain for, whatever it is, but the focus there was crime prevention. Here's a quote, guys, from Beatrice Lyon. "Our investment in Tuki Taki reflects our confidence in their groundbreaking technology and unique ability to tackle financial crime across Asia's key markets. As regulator standards tighten and financial crimes evolve, Tuki Taki's platform," I'm sorry, I can't say that without laughing, "provides scalable AI-driven solutions for AML and fraud prevention that will help institutions stay ahead of these challenges." And they are working together, guys, with Ripple partner Thunes, who is backing this project, which is an interesting connection there. The founder and CEO of Tuki Taki, he did add, "This partnership comes at a pivotal time for Tuki Taki, allowing us to expand our reach in key Asian markets and further enhance our FinSense and AFC ecosystem platforms." So there you go, guys. Financial crime, perhaps another vertical that Ripple is eventually going to get into. Again, I wish I remembered what that other company was, but also running on the XRP Ledger to prevent financial crimes. This time, it's Ripple-backed company Thunes, so interesting news there. But I did want to keep moving on because I also happen to see this. Now, Michael Branch noticed this, and I think it comes with no surprise to some degree, just because Binance is a very, very liquid exchange. But here's the skivvy, okay? XRP whales using Binance as their primary platform for transactions. It has now been noted, reportedly, major whales are currently using the Binance exchange as their primary platform for XRP transactions. So this is important, okay? This is important, okay? These are, some of the topics that I'm covering over there at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel if you guys are interested in knowing what my plan is for this particular bull run, because we have to have proper on and off ramps available to us, even if we live in a jurisdiction that doesn't allow for certain cryptocurrency exchanges, right? You got to still have a plan. So I give some insight on what I'm doing this bull run, patreon.com/workingmoneychannel if you guys missed that. Back to this though, as per the on-chain data, the total inflow of XRP to exchanges from whales, defined as those making deposits of over 1 million XRP, has experienced a sharp rise. So notice this, guys. Moreover, since late 2021, large-scale investors have been constantly moving their XRP holdings to Binance, and Binance for a good reason. Moreover, they have steadily remained active on the exchange and have not shifted their assets to other marketplaces. Notably, this highlights the dominance of Binance and its reliability for high-volume XRP transactions among whale wallets. And could this be the reason too why they actually changed what they call XRP on their exchange? Emily here did post this. Something has changed at Binance. XRP is no longer called Ripple on the crypto exchange. These pictures were from October 17th and from today, guys. So you can see just last week it was called Ripple XRP. And now, guys, it's just called XRP. So maybe something is changing. Are they getting ready for a pump? I think for certain they are definitely getting ready for the final leg of this bull run to get up to new heights. So I wanted to thank Emily there and, of course, Michael Branch just for posting that. Or maybe it is because we are going to see more XRP adoption. And considering Binance is the most liquid exchange and obviously one of the most popular ones for whale traders trading XRP, could it be the international on and off ramp for some of these major whales once XRP is set and ready to go, guys? I also happen to see this from Smoke. Yes, when the SEC case is settled with Ripple, central banks will have the seal of approval to start using XRP through the XRP Ledger. So this was a document that Smoke found there. I wish he did post a source here because I don't know where the source is from. However, guys, this is what it says. When this case is settled, this will give the seal of approval for central banks and other financial institutions to start using XRP through the XRP Ledger. Again, just reiterating this point that it is all about the regulations. You know, we're seeing hints already from Binance, the most liquid cryptocurrency exchange, the most popular crypto exchange on planet Earth, the most utilized. They've specifically changed this. And guys, the fact that they just changed it within the last week, I think does speak volumes to where we could see things moving in the near future. We've got the partnerships and, of course, more adoption now, perhaps through MetaMask. We just got to ride out this election and see who the winner is. I mean, at the end of the day, crypto adoption does have to thrive before we start seeing a meaningful XRP price. But that's just my opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.